Hi, let's look at a typical student-level workflow on the BIMWERX Academy platform. We'll sign in as John Doe, who is a student-level access user on the platform. Once signed in, you can access your inbox, compose new messages, change your profile picture, add additional profile information, and enter the course catalog from the link items on the left-hand side of the screen. From the courses catalog, you may view existing courses. You can select on any course to view additional information on that course, and you can click on the subscribe button to request access to any of those courses. For the courses that you've already been signed up, you can click on the My Courses link, which will then display all of your current subscribed courses. To access your courses, click on the course, and this will take you through to the course dashboard. On the course dashboard, there are various links: a course description, the learning path where most of the work will be done, some useful links, a forum, a Dropbox where you can upload and receive documents, a chat section, assignments which will have a summary of all the assignments for this course, a survey section where surveys will be located once the course has been completed, an assessment section which will give you detailed breakdowns of all your comprehension test results and your assignment result, a glossary, a personal notebook, and a link to the BIMWERX website. Now let's have a look at the learning path where all of the work will be done. Once you've accessed the learning path section, click on the learning path link, in this case the BIM 101. This will open up the course modules. Once this is loaded, and be patient when clicking on a link, it might take a few seconds to load depending on your internet speed, so refrain from clicking on links again and again if it does not load immediately. As we can see here, it is preparing and loading the content. Once it is ready, you can play through the video tutorials, and at the end of each module there will be a short comprehension test. You require 100% for each of the comprehension tests, but don't worry, they are easy and very descriptive. At the end of the course, once you've worked through all of the modules, there will be an assignment detail. Once you've finished with the assignment detail, you can upload your assignment through the Submit Assignment button. Once all of this has been completed and your assignment has been reviewed and scored by your course coach, you will receive a certificate. Your course certificate will be located in your course dashboard on your Dropbox. And that concludes this session.